What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn an alternative and something brighter and greater than Google Fonts, okay? So you can say goodbye to Google Fonts. I use Google Fonts, I have been using Google Fonts for years, and in many of my projects, it's easy, it's integrated with many options, but there is some projects that needs more customization and gonna needs more unique fonts, more personalized fonts. And Google Fonts looks almost the same, okay? So how to find it? Go to Google and type Fontshare, just like this, okay? Click into the first result, fontshare.com, and you're gonna be able to find a couple of fonts that you can play with. For example, change the style, size, spacing, and in the case that you want, you can even change every single part of the font. You can align, you can test every single part. For example, changing the styles. Nice, right? Change the options. And we have pairs that you can explore as well. For example, this one right here. You can favorite. You can add your styles. Make it bold to test. Apply to all. Nice, right? We can change the color so we can test the full alignment, Lipson, some news. You can change the category. For example, the headline can be this and serif, or maybe serif and serif. Nice, right? And the best part, all Fontshare fonts are 100% free and for personal and commercial use. So imagine that you like this font right here. You can download the family. Family is now downloaded. Simple, right? And it is. There is some styles that you can play with, so you can test, but the process is really simple. And these fonts into this website, it's quite different from Google Fonts. They are more stylish, and for branding a font, it's something really important. So you can explore the fonts right here. There are many fonts. For example, this one looks fancy, don't you think? And you can imagine the kinds of projects that can use these kinds of fonts. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know into the comments if this site helps you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.